Hi there. If you're one of those living in the state of Tamil Nadu and running a children's home for those that need care and protection under the registration of Juvenile and Justice Act, lately you must be facing a lot of compliance challenges. So perhaps making some to even to think that they would completely get out of the Juvenile and Justice Act registration and thinking that they would just register under Tamilnadu Hostels and Homes Act. This video is to clear some confusion about that. Before I say anything, I have a little disclaimer to make. I'm not a lawyer nor a legal expert. I share what I read, what I understand, and what I see in my day-to-day practice. I work in an organization where we do have a children's home that is registered under the Juvenile and Justice Act. So we're also making a decision about this. So I was reading about it. So whatever I'm understanding, I'm sharing it here with you. So if you feel that there is any merit in what I'm saying, kindly seek legal advice to make an informed decision about which act you want to be registered under. Under Tamilnadu Hostels and Homes for Women and Children's Act, homes and hostels are very clearly defined. A home is defined like this. It means an institution maintained for reception, care, protection, and welfare of women and children. A hostel is defined like this. It means a building providing accommodation for women or children or both, with or without providing boarding. There are two aspects in this act. One is called licensing, other one is called registration. Licensing is for anyone that is desiring to establish a hostel, lodging house, or a home. If you are running a children's home for those that are in need of care and protection, you need not apply for licensing. On the other hand, registration is meant only for homes that are established and operated, perhaps under Juvenile and Justice Act. If you look at the rules of Tamilnadu Hostels and Homes Act, particularly Sub-Rule 2 of Rule 4, which says like this: any home that is registered under Juvenile and Justice Act shall also be registered under this Act. There is one exemption though, that is for the government operated children's homes that are meant for children in need of care and protection and registered under the JJ Act. Those kind of homes need not be registered under the Tamilnadu Hostels and Homes Act. Lastly, at the district level in the state of Tamil Nadu, both the applications, that is registration under JJ Act or the registration under Tamil Nadu Hostels and Homes Act, are processed by the same office, that is District Child Protection Office. So your institution and people associated with your institution perhaps are very familiar to this office. So if you are trying to take care of children that needs care and protection and do not want to be associated with JJAC but only want to be associated with Tamil Nadu Hostels and Homes Act, they can choose not to forward your application to the collector's office or could forward it to the collector with a recommendation to reject your request for registration under Tamil Nadu Hostels and Homes Act. Collector does have the authority under this act to reject your application. In conclusion, if you are intending to run a children's home that needs care and protection in the state of Tamil Nadu, you need registrations under two acts, Juvenile and Justice Act and Tamil Nadu Hostels and Homes for Women and Children Act. You cannot pick and choose one act over the other because law is very clear. To care for such children, you need the registration of both the acts. If you are hell-bent about being registered under Tamilnadu Hostels and Homes Act, what I suggest is that abandon the thought of caring for children that needs care and protection under the registration of Juvenile and Justice Act. Surrender your JJ Act registration and apply for license, not for registration, as a hostel that provides accommodation for women or children or both, with or without boarding. Well, that's all the information I have for you folks today, and I hope I was able to clear some of your confusion. If you feel that there is merit in my video, please seek professional legal advice. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on it. Till we meet again, goodbye.